Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show you how to freeze pens horizontally and vertically at the same time. Okay, let's begin. Open your Excel document, then click click extra cells with horizontally and vertically. Okay, now I select extra cells. Okay, two horizontally and two vertically. One, two, one, two. Okay. Then go to View tab and Freeze Pans. Click Freeze Pans on and dragging this up, down, and left, right. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.